Your Aviztra dashboard is an excellent place to create and store your online portfolio. To create your portfolio, you're going to head up to the top banner and hover over My Account. And from the drop-down list, select Submit Portfolio. And now all you need to do is fill out the prompts. Any of the inputs with a red asterisk are required, so you will need to fill those in. But if there is no red asterisk, then that input is optional. Of course, the more information you can include, the better. You will need to select a profile picture, and you will need to give your profile a title. Your profile title should be your first and last name plus your professional title or your desired professional title. Next, you will need to include your name and your intro. You can think of your intro like your headline. Keep it short and sweet and only include the most important information. Next is the About Me section. This is where you can go into a bit more detail about your background and professional achievements. The About Me section should be about 3 to 5 sentences. Now it's time to include your portfolio projects. These are going to be any projects you've completed that showcase your skills. So you'll want to include an image, sort of like your project's profile picture or thumbnail, a heading, which should act as a title for your project, and a project description. Your project description should include details about your project, such as the problem or question, your approach to solving the problem, the tools you used, and the solution or recommendation. You can also include a call to action or a GitHub URL where your project is stored. You can showcase up to 3 projects in your Aviztra profile. After the project section is the skills section, where you can list both your technical skills and your soft skills. You should also submit your resume and input your LinkedIn profile URL so that recruiters and hiring managers can learn more about you. You can also include a link to your GitHub portfolio if you'd like, as well as your contact information. Be sure to include your email so that recruiters know how to contact you. Once you've completed the portfolio submission form, click Submit to save your portfolio. Now your portfolio is saved on your dashboard, which you can access by clicking on My Account and selecting My Dashboard. Scroll down to see your saved portfolio. You can edit your portfolio at any time by clicking on the pencil icon under Options. You can also delete your portfolio by clicking on the trash icon. You can access your portfolio by clicking on the portfolio in your dashboard. This will take you to your own custom URL where your portfolio is stored. To share your portfolio, just copy this URL and paste it onto your resume, LinkedIn profile, email signature, or anywhere else you'd like to share your work. Now you have all of the information you need to get started creating your first Aviztra portfolio.